Alright, we have week 2, assignment 2. Now we're finding surface area. We're finding the outside of these prisms, of these boxes, or these cubes, however you want to label them. So we have number 1 as our example. And it's pretty much just using the formula here. Surface area equals 2 times length times width plus 2 times length plus height plus 2 times width times height. And that's just what happened there. Let me do number 2 as an example. So we're going to use, so it depends how you see it. So where these 4 boxes are, that's going to be the bottom of my prism, or my box. It's the bottom of the box. I know it looks kind of weird and funky, but you just got to use your imagination, as a great SpongeBob once said. Now, I have, this is the base, so my height is going to be, this is my height, so h equals 10. Now, my length right here, I'm just going to set this equal to, so my length is going to be 16, right? And then my width is going to be 5. And all I have to do now is just plug in the formula. I have to plug it in. So I'm going to have my surface area SA, or San Antonio, however you want, is going to be 2 times, I'm going to use parentheses, my L, which is just 10. Sorry, the L is 16. I fixed it. And then it's going to be W, which is 5, plus 2 times my L, which is 16, times my H, which is 10, plus 2 times, again, W is 5, and then my height is 10. This is how you set it up. Now you're going to use fancy calculator work, right? So let's just break it down, see what we get. We're going to get 2 times 16 times 16. Wow, it's not working. Come on. 2 times 6. Come on, one. Seeing times 5 equals 160. So we have right here SA equals, I forgot what it said, 160. 160. Now we do the next one. Plus, let's clear it out. We have 2 times 16 times 10 equals 320. So we have 320 here. Plus, let's see, that's 5 and 10, right? 5 and 10 is 50, so that's 100. I'm going to use a calculator for that. So I could probably add this up, it's easy. So 100 plus 320 is 420. 420 plus another 100 is 520. 520 plus another 60 is 580. So my surface area here should equal 580. Now since this area is going to be centimeters squared. Okay, that is how you do number 2 in this problem. That's my answer. Alright, So let's continue. Number 3, we'll skip that one. Number 4 is your example for how to do 5. Number 6, it could be a bit more challenging, but let's see what happens. Alright, so let's do number 6. We got LA is lateral area, Los Angeles, right? Find the lateral area, then add the area of the bases. So we are going to find the height, perimeter, and area. So in order to find the lateral area, we have to figure out what our bases are. So in essence, you're going to open this box up and you're going to, here, let me just draw it. So you're going to have, see if I can draw this. Okay, you have your rectangle in the center. This is just a flat, this is called the net. And then if I open this way, you're going to have like this looking here thing, just like that. So that'll be this side here, will be here, and then the bottom here is right here. So then you'll have another one going like that, and then the top part will be right here. It'll be in 2, so it'll open up like flap twice, right? So that's this part and this part, and now this part, and then this part goes out here, and that's all the shapes that you're gonna have. So that is how this trapezoid prism looks like. Trapezoid prism looks like. And then once you do that, we got to figure it all out. So I'm gonna just do this one by one. I'm gonna try to do the formula and see if it works. If it doesn't, then we try it. Alright, so my lateral area. So the formula to find surface area is h, height between bases. Alright, continuing with the power of movie magic. Alright, my height here, I'm just going to talk about it here. H equals 15. So here the height, I'm looking at this 15 here. This is going to be my height between the bases. Now the bases we're talking about are going to be trapezoidal. Now how I explained it a little bit. The base is trapezoid. This is my trapezoid base. So this is my height. If I lay it down, this is my height. So this 15 is going to go in this formula here. Now the 73 is my perimeter of my trapezoid. So it's the outside of this trapezoid. So this area plus this area plus this area, right? This is the same plus this area. This is the same. So that is what it's talking about, the perimeter of the outside of this trapezoid. So it's going to be this perimeter. That is how you get 73. 12 plus 23 plus, let's see, 20 plus 18. You add it all up, you get 73. Now the base here, it's going to be the formula for area of a trapezoid. So the formula for area of a trapezoid, it's the height of the trapezoid. So in this case, all these letters can be confusing, but the height of the trapezoid itself is just 12. So it goes here, and the base 1 is just the bottom, right? So it could be either top or bottom, so it's going to be 18 plus the base 2, right? It's going to be 23. So if you can't see it here, 18 feet. So this is B1 and this is B2, base 1, base 2 of the trapezoid. So we have to just look at the trapezoid. Now we divide by 2, we get 246. Now we're going to use the formula here. So this formula that we have here, we're going to plug it in to everything. So 15 plus 73 plus my answer here for 2 times B, big B. And then I get my my answers here. So my surface area is 1095 plus 492, which is 1,587 feet squared. And that is how you do this, number 6. So I know it was kind of long, but it was worth it, right? So hopefully this helps you understand a little bit better. Alright guys, see you later.